What is up, my style people? This is Shank. Welcome back to channel. Zaydn, or is there some other way to pronounce this particular brand? Naakaithe telidu. I'm hearing this brand name a lot these days. Initially, I think 1.5 years to 2 years back, they used to have some horrible option. But these days, I'm hearing a lot of positive feedback, and most of you guys are also asking me on Instagram, thoda sa review karo. So I thought that maybe it's time to revisit. Are these the real value for money sneaker brand at this point of time? Pata nahi hai, I would give that to Sparks actually, or maybe even lower budget than Spark, matlab thoda sa Highlander at 500 rupees. But in case if you have the budget, again, make sure that you save some money, invest in great quality sneakers. First and foremost thing, the box, the unboxing experience has been good quality box. They are not cheaping out on that, even though this particular sneaker is available at 900 rupees price point. And the very next thing that I have to give credit to the brand, extra pair of laces. These cost just 50 or 100 rupees, but still you have to get it when they get dirty, right? At least if the brand is giving you an extra pair of laces, obviously that is like much appreciated. And then the second thing, it doesn't end there. You have a shoe bag as well. Not the super highest quality shoe bag, but yes, you do get a shoe bag again at this particular price point. And now let's unbox this sneaker. You see the colorway here. The colorway and also the shape completely inspired by the Nike Air Force One. First of all, I love this silhouette here. It is like very clean, minimal. Again, Nike Air Force One inspired, or maybe the Puma CA Heritage Pro inspired. So this is something, the height, which is a great middle ground, not a mid top, not a low top, somewhere in between. And also the chunkiness is also not too much chunky. And now let's talk about the color combinations. I love white, beige, browns, right? So it have these two colors, one white and different shades of the brown color. And also the inside portion is also maintained with the similar beige color. Now let's talk about the other thing, which are the perforations. The perforations at the cup area and also on the sides, that helps in the overall breathability. Then that adds to the extra comfort with the sneaker. And number 3. ఇదైతే నేను అస్సలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు, కంఫర్ట్. I haven't had any expectations with this sneaker at this particular price point, but I am literally surprised. One, in terms of this side comfort, they have a nice cushioning at the sides area, again in this beige color, nice attention to detail. And then when it comes to the insole, cloud under your feet, anta scene ledle gaani, but it's really great in terms of the comfort. Like, you will not feel that this is a 900 rupees sneaker, both in terms of the looks and also in terms of the comfort. The comfort is almost on par with the Puma Soft Foam, the 2000 rupees after discount sneakers मिलता है ना, उसके आसपास में है comfort. Now let's talk about few things that the brand needs to improve, or I would not say negatives. There are not much negatives, but something that need to be improved. One, in terms of the gumming, it's slightly inconsistent at few areas, and also the threads. The threads need to cut properly. I have just observed a couple of areas. And number 2 is the gum sole. It's not that great. That's something you need to consider. It's okay. It's okay for this price point, but not matching with the overall the quality standards that they maintained across the sneaker, be it in terms of the comfort or the silhouette. This is something that need to be improved along with the other things that were mentioned. So these are my observations, and again, you do get as a package much more than what you pay for 900 rupees. You do get a great looking sneaker, not just a copy like a Nike symbol and having all these things. They have just taken the core aspect or a core silhouette from the Nike Air Force One, or maybe these kind of a mid chunky sneakers, and then added their touch of refinement, or maybe the attention to detail at this particular price point. This is something you can definitely give it a try. I will make sure that few of my favorites from this brand, or anything which is similar of this particular quality on a budget price points, all the links will be there in the description below. There is an Amazon huge sale going on at this moment, so maybe you will get it even lower price point. That's it from me. See you next time.